In this video, you'll learn about the most reliable induction cooktops. Last year, we completed over 33,000 service calls and over 100,000 in the past 3 years. When it comes to reliability, one brand stands out. Stay to the end to find out which one. We determine reliability by dividing the number of appliances we service by the number of appliances we sold over a 12-month period. Today alone, we'll visit 130 to 150 homes, fixing appliances that are often less than a year old and still under warranty. Now let's look at the most reliable induction cooktops of 2025. Thermador is one of the most reliable brands in the market, with a service rate of just 4.9%, slightly above the average for induction cooktops, as you'll see. Way under the one-year average for appliances at 9%. Looking for a large cooking surface, Thermador Liberty 36-inch cooktop is one of the largest available, featuring advanced technology that automatically recognizes the size and position of your pots. It also includes sapphire glow LEDs to indicate when pots are heated, and a Teppanyaki Pro function for grilling, Wi-Fi connectivity to control lights and ventilation. Additionally, its Power Boost feature heats large pots of water 50% faster. The Premium Series also allows you to slide your pan to different zones, while the cooktop remembers your settings. The Bosch 500 and 800 series inductions don't have a bridge element. They do have two power burners at 3,700 watts. The Bosch Benchmark series features flex induction technology. This allows you to combine two burners or cooking zones into one, perfect for using your griddle or cooking with an odd-shaped dish. Oddly enough, Bosch and Benchmark have the same exact reliability percentage at only 1.7%. Gaggenau is yet another brand owned by Bosch, a luxury brand known for its high-quality, stylish appliances. Their induction cooktops had a 0% service rate because none were actually serviced in the last 12 months. One of their top models, the Gaggenau CX 492-611, features a flexible cooking surface that allows you to adjust the size of your pots like the Thermador. You can place multiple pots anywhere on the surface and it will heat them evenly. It also offers features like the others, like a quick boil function, intuitive controls, and safety settings, making both simple and safe to use. So if you want the most induction cooktop, it looks like a Bosch or a company owned by Bosch is your best bet, at least for reliability in the last 12 months. It'll be interesting to see next year when the new Wolf, SKS, and Miele induction cooktops will be rated. Click here to see the best induction cooktops, and thanks for watching.